I model shapes and objects in SolidWorks, and then I send it to the 3D printer, and it layers plastics over and over and over again until you have a 3D model exactly representing what you have in SolidWorks. So this is the iPhone case that I modeled, and I've modeled it in 3 parts. So there's my iPhone, there's the base, and there's the snap-on top. And now I've already printed out the base, just like that. Next is the top, and my iPhone will go directly inside. And it all snapped together, just like that.